Welcome to Kaiko Lessons. The chapter which we are going to discuss today is Alice in Wonderland, which is taken from the book Marigold, English, Class 4, NCERT syllabus. And this is Prithvi Vinod who is going to present you this video. Alice in Wonderland. One day, Alice was lying under a tree listening to her sister reading a story. Suddenly, she saw a white rabbit scamper by. He had pink eyes and was wearing a blue coat. He took out his big watch from his waistcoat pocket and as he hurried away, he said, "Oh dear, I will be too late." She thought there was something very different about this rabbit. It could talk, it wore a red waistcoat and it carried a watch. Alice wondered. A talking rabbit. A rabbit who wears a waistcoat. Alice was burning with curiosity and she followed the white rabbit. The rabbit started running and Alice followed the rabbit. The rabbit suddenly popped down a large rabbit hole. Alice jumped into the rabbit hole too. The rabbit went down and down and down and down into the rabbit hole. Alice said aloud, "Where am I? How many miles down have I fallen? I must be getting somewhere near the center of the earth." She wondered, "Will I slip through the earth to the other side?" Thump! Alice landed on a pile of dry leaves. She looked around quickly and suddenly saw the white rabbit again. It disappeared saying, "Oh, my ears and whiskers, how late it's getting." Alice stood up and saw a small door about 15 inches high. It was too small for her to go through. She saw a glass table with a golden key on it. She tried the little golden key in the lock and to her delight, it fitted. Alice opened the door and looked into the loveliest garden she had ever seen. How she longed to be among those bed of bright flowers and those cool fountains. But she could not even get her head through the doorway. "Oh, how I wish I could become smaller," she exclaimed loudly. And this story is adapted from Alice in Wonderland by Lewis Carroll. What are the new words given in this lesson? Scamper, hurried, popped, disappeared and whiskers. Let us see the meaning and make sentences for the new words. Scamper, to move in a hurry. The cat scampered after seeing the mouse. Hurried, to rush. My grandparents hurried to the hospital. Popped, to go somewhere without any notice. She popped in to see if she can help. Disappeared, vanish. The tiger disappeared into the trees. Whiskers, long hair on the face of the animals. My cat has brown whiskers. Reading is fun. While listening to the story, what did Alice see? While listening to the story, Alice saw a white rabbit running hurriedly. What was different about the rabbit that Alice saw? The rabbit that Alice saw was different, as it could talk and also wore a red waistcoat and carried a watch. Where did the rabbit go? The rabbit went into the rabbit hole. How did Alice reach Wonderland? Alice jumped into the rabbit hole following the rabbit and reached the Wonderland. What strange things did Alice see? Alice saw beautiful beds of bright flowers and cool fountains. Describe in your own words that garden that Alice saw. Alice saw the most beautiful garden from the doorway. It was filled with different colors of beautiful flowers. There was also a cool fountain inside which sprinkled fresh and cold water. Draw the garden of your dreams. You can draw your dream garden in the space. Tick the correct answer. The rabbit had white eyes, big eyes, pink eyes. It had pink eyes. Who was burning with curiosity? Alice, rabbit, children. Alice was burning with curiosity. Who fell down and down and down? Alice, a mouse, the rabbit. Alice fell down and down and down. Who said, "Oh, my ears and whiskers, how late it's getting"? The rabbit, Alice, or Alice's sister? Who said these words? Rabbit said these words. The garden Alice saw was big, lovely, small. The garden was lovely. Let's talk. Describe some of the sounds that you hear at night. I hear the sound of dogs at night. Imagine you are Alice and your partner is a rabbit. What would you do? If I would have been Alice and my partner a rabbit, we would have traveled to many such wonderlands. What do you think Alice saw in the garden? Alice saw a lovely garden with beautiful fountain in it. Alice got into the garden using the golden key that was kept on the table. Let's write. Find one word from the story that means to walk fast, hurried, to think, wondered, happy, delight, to be seen nowhere, disappeared, at once, quickly, move fast, scamper, to be inquisitive, curious. Give another word for the ones given below with similar meanings and make sentences. Make sentences with each of the opposites of these describing words and make sentences with them. Lovely. What is the opposite of it? Terrible. Sentences. I had a terrible day in the school. Talking. Silence. Please maintain silence for a while. Listening. Talking. Do not talk loudly in the library. See. To blind. The blind man was trying to read. Center. Outside. Color outside the box. Imagine that you are going on a journey to the center of the earth. What do you think you will see? What would you feel? If I were going on a journey to the center of the earth, I would see millions of buildings in small size and water everywhere. I would feel very excited and scared at the same time. Alice follows the strange rabbit because she wants to know a number of things. Rearrange the words to make the questions that Alice has in her mind and put a question mark. After arranging these, we are getting a sentence like this. How can a rabbit talk? Where is he going? Can he read the time? Why is he in a hurry? Thank you, kids.